JP, why are you doing this?
Just to get all the load off of the chassis from the suspension, make it easier to bolt up.
If one of our cages ever doesn't slide right on, it's most likely just because of the frame. Does that sound right?
To be fair, as much as I love these machines, I know they're not that well built from the factory. So like the mounting points could be like a 1/4 inch off from the front or something from the factory. So like the cages can move enough that you can put it on. But once the cage is on, the whole machine is much tighter.
Not much flex left.
No, very little flex.
Are they going to be picking this one up today?
I don't think this one's scheduled for today.
No.
I think it's still got some axle work to go.
And you're just using the lady finger to help line up the bolt?
Yeah. That's about the only way to get it done properly. Align it and move it to where it needs.
JP's got us bolted up all the way around. Peyton's throwing that roof on top. Looking good, looking good. JP's bringing up a good point. This is a door that's going to have to get adjusted. It should just be closing real simple is what he's saying. So we're going to go ahead and get that resolved.
These got 4 bolts. They all are T40.
4 T40 bolts.
Loosen up the door. Get it aligned where you want it. Normally if you come on here, you can see how much it moved.
Oh yeah.
From the new spot to the old spot. And that's just nothing but just realigning everything.
If y'all can't see that, there's that little gap where it's slipped and closing like it should.
We were doing a video. What the do you mean? Jesus Christ.
Thank you.
The door works though, right?
Poker face, mean mug, stupid gas by the atmosphere, got the shine by the jug. Lamb chops on the fire, throw some shrooms in the gravy. Tired of the fugazi, that city life is so crazy.
I throw my middle finger to the night, get it hot. It's the morning, still yawning, ready to ride through the mud. What I love is my girl and my truck, get it up, bust a shot. When I'm shooting better duck, gotta have some good luck, cause I really don't give a fuck. Country corn get shook, tripping dirt out the mug when I'm drunk like the duck, turn green like the hook, protein, a lot of pork. Going off-road.
Y'all see the cages installed. We're gonna go ahead and go back to the service shop. This thing is more work to get done. But yeah.